additive manufacturing, as it is a quite novel technology as a whole, has still a lot of different technologies that fall under this bracket. So a lot of different technologies are labeled as additive manufacturing. They use a lot of different feed materials, a lot of different production technologies, and also on very different maturity levels for industrial use cases. So what that means, there is a very broad landscape of different technologies in the additive manufacturing domain, but there are already also some specific technologies which are being widely used in industries today, as aerospace and energy sectors, and also automotive. And industries with very high requirements, very high standards are already using additive manufacturing for their advantages.